What is this?
You turn around and see.
V9 Turbo Plus.
V9 Turbo.
MCHOSE. MCHOSE, not MCHOSE.
Not MCHOSE, it's MCHOSE.
But if you're going by McDonald's definition, it's MCHOSE.
Yeah, that's the fun part.
So do you want to eat some MCHOSE?
It's an MCHOSE.
Esports headset, you got 7.1 channel, RGB. Okay, I suppose the RGB is only on the base, the charging base from the looks of it.
Yep.
And this is the V9 Turbo. But then behind here, the sticker they say is the V9 Turbo Plus. Does the Plus have any? Okay,
Nope.
whatever. We will discover that. MCHOSE. MCHOSE.
Yes. This is the brand new wireless headphones which they just recently announced, I believe early of the year. So they just sent this over for us to experience. There are
MCHOSE.
some really good design aspects.
The unboxing is really premium for a headphone. Oh, so they really have foam all over to protect this thing.
Foams all over.
So we move this aside first. Okay, we got a letter here.
Most of them are like the paperwork and everything else, you know, the usual stuff.
All in Chinese though.
Yes, because this is like the sample units, so currently it's all in Chinese.
I don't think we will need the user manual anyway, but I'll keep this handy, okay? Then we got, I suppose, stickers, yes.
Yeah, stickers.
So you can get your friends to ask you what is MCHOSE. So leave all of this
the
one
paperwork,
side.
okay.
Paperwork.
The most important part is the product itself.
Ta-da! Oh, the magnet is strong. The base is heavy.
Yes. Right, that's the interesting part about this. They
Okay.
have a dock base.
Dock. Then we have
Yes.
cable and converter.
So this is the wireless dongle, which they have a C to A adapter. The dock also serves as the
Wireless receiver.
your extension.
Okay, interesting.
You can see there are two ports, one USB-C, another USB-A ports there, right?
Oh, so you
So-
plug your 2.4.
So you plug in the dongle there. So and then they have another USB-C to C cable or C to A cable. You plug into your PC or your source inside the package. This is the accessory package.
Accessory. Okay.
And
you
the,
have
the cable, okay.
the cable is quite long, A to C, nothing special here. I will not use the cable.
I mean, you basically just plug the cable to the dock,
Then it works.
and then the dock, you need the cable.
In the accessories box, I think this is fabric
We
earpads.
hope they provide a, let's say, different type of
Correct, it is fabric.
oh,
They give you fabric
the
replacement. and then,
thickness or what, yeah. So
yeah, they give you default leather. It kind of depends. So some people would prefer leather, some people prefer fabric. I don't really have any preference. This one will give you more noise isolation, but also very hot. Fabric, not so much the noise isolation, but comfortable. In terms of build quality, design, everything, sturdy. Actually very ergonomic as well. You can move a lot.
well, that
Oh, the noise isolation is real good. I can't hear anything outside. Damn, I haven't even turned it on. Okay, so you have coil cables, base port, buttons.
buttons, power button, I think mic mute button.
Explain to me what these are. Power, G,
There's a
mute
mic mute button.
then volume.
The volume, yes, there's a volume knob.
Literally knob.
Yes.
Okay, detachable microphone. as
Detachable
well.
microphone. And the microphone, they do have like LED indicator, but we will turn it on and see. You can try dock it to the dock
They got a microphone hole there.
There's
I
a
don't know the volume.
microphone cutout on this side, and then there's the volume knob as well, which is aligned to that. Now here is the fun part about this thing. When you plug in the dock, the dock will charge the headphone wirelessly.
Okay. Did they say why wireless instead of wired?
You can also charge wired because the headphones still got the USB-C port there.
Yeah, I expect them to use pogo pins or something like that for efficiency. Or faster charging, for example, but wireless charging. But anyway, you can see I just plug into some power source.
You need to plug in the dongle as well to the dock. The beauty of this setup is that when you remove the headphone from the dock, it turns on.
Power on. Adapter mode. Adapter connection.
It is loud.
Power off. Power on. Adapter mode. Adapter connection.
Okay. Then I just wear and use.
So you just wear and use. You don't have to like fiddle around with the power button. You know, wireless headphones, this one, it works just like how you treat your wireless earbuds. You know, when you open the cover, take out the buds, and then they turn on instantly. Well, this one is like, for example, if you work with your gaming PC, you take it off from the charging dock, it turns on, wear it, play game.
Straight away play.
Done, play, dock it, and it starts charging.
No wonder they call this an esports headphone.
Yeah.
So adjusting volume.
It's a knob. I like the knob compared to like stiff buttons, you know, clicky buttons, but knob is definitely very intuitive.
Yes, the knob clicking is also very intuitive. You
Yeah,
can
very
feel-
smooth. There's like the bump is very smooth.
Yeah.
You know,
It sounds good, eh?
yes, when you use some of those wireless headphones where they use those clicky switches, the moment you change the volume, you know, the clicky is very annoying.
Very annoying. This
Very
one you don't
loud.
hear the clickiness, but
There's
you
no-
can only feel
But
it.
you can feel it, the tactile.
I'm kind of, I don't really understand why they got a separate mute button instead of combining here.
Different. The mute button is for the microphone.
Oh yeah, they're not silencing.
Yeah.
Okay, it's really loud when you press the mute microphone button.
The system prompts.
Microphone on. Microphone off.
Okay, I wanna ask, is there a Bluetooth mode for this thing? I don't think so. The G button should be changing, right?
they have Bluetooth mode for the G button.
So this G button is switching.
G button is like those function button. So right now, if you double click the G button,
Double click.
they will go into like the Bluetooth pairing mode.
Oh,
Pairing, yep.
Adapter mode. Adapter connection.
so Bluetooth and adapter. Okay, one thing I
And
realized
then
is
you
don't
can
have
also use
wired
USB-C direct USB-C to C cable to your PC, to your tablet, to your phone.
Oh, okay. So no audio jack,
Basically, yeah, 3 mode, all digital.
all digital.
Yes. This is like your, you know, nowadays your wireless keyboards, 3 mode. You can use
Yeah.
cable, you can use
The-
dongle or Bluetooth.
I really like the build quality. So you have headband adjustment here with notches as well, so you can feel every notch, and they have the graduated thing, so you can see how wide you need. Headband, not replaceable, unfortunately, but very squishy, comfortable. Ear pads, very thick. The leather one, surprisingly good noise isolation. I can't really hear half of what the heck you were saying just now because this thing was so good. And for replacement, of course, you just have to rip this out and then stretch in a new one. Do they have replacement ear pads for sale?
They are using the standard ear pads for, like say, the 50 and 60 mil kind of. So
Anyone
you
can
can buy the aftermarket ones to
okay.
replace it.
Microphone, you do have an LED as well.
The status LED to show whether it is milk or non-milk.
Yeah, I expected mute to be red, but mute means no color. Blue means active.
Yeah, this is something we can feedback to them, because I also thought that it should be like
Red color.
red color all the time.
More obvious.
Yeah. This is a mic test for the MCHOSE V9 Turbo Plus. The boy was there when the sun rose. A rod is used to catch pink salmon. The source of the huge river is the clear spring. Kick the ball straight and follow through. Help the woman get back to her feet. A pot of tea helps to pass the evening. Smoky fires lack flame and heat. The soft cushion broke the man's fall. The salt breeze came across from the sea. The girl at the booth sold 50 bonds.
Okay, very interesting product. Sounds surprisingly good, despite advertised as a gamer. What is it?
I mean, they
called
say this
esports.
Esports focus.
I can understand why esports, okay, because it's easy to use.
Power off.
Let's just say you go home,
Take it off,
Power off.
wear it.
then you can start playing. The thing is,
They have a-
this should be the way of how I should put it, because I'm looking at it in this direction.
Yes.
So
yes, you are correct. That's the thing. If all the cables coming out from the back side, so
Yeah.
you can keep all those cables tied up nicely.
Everything
behind the
should be at the
table.
back.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand now. Damn, how much is this thing?
$139 US.
Not that expensive.
Not that expensive. If you compare with many other esports or gaming headsets,
Not that expensive.
this is one of those competitive price ones.
And especially I can just take this, rip this out,
Yeah,
put it
if-
somewhere, and then I can wear it to go out or traveling or
For
whatever.
music, anything, because they go on Bluetooth, you can
Yeah, lor.
pair with your phone. So
This
So-
is also very comfortable. No problems here.
yeah, and they have a few color options.
Okay,
As
interesting.
So
Show me.
you can have a
Wow, I see these colors. Like what the heck? So white and gold, black and black, pure hot pink color. Hot pink, literally
Yes,
hot pink.
hot pink.
Then white on silver, black on gold, which is the one that we have here.
Yeah.
Black gold is certainly in a good combination,
Yes,
but the hot pink, though,
that hot pink is
is
something else. It's something else.
Something else. It's also good that they included this kind of fabric pads in the box as well. So if you don't like, just switch it out.
Yeah, this is not something you will find in many other headphones.
Yeah.
Usually they don't really include.
Usually they just give you
Additional pad.
leather. Some of them don't even let you replace it.
Yeah, that's the worst part of having.
I'm kind of worried about the headband because this kind of leather eventually will flake off. Replacement, I don't know how easy or difficult it is, but there are screws here exposed ready. Probably you can take it off easily. But other than that, sounds good, looks good, works really conveniently.
Very convenient, I would say. So.
Yeah, convenient.
So,
Anything else to add?
No,
No?
that's it.
That's it. I'll leave links down in the description below and we'll see you guys in the next video. Yay.